Mix cabbage with pineapple. You'll love making this for your lunch. Here, I have my cabbage, and I'm going to cut it into very thin pieces. That's it. Now, we just take it and we're going to transfer it to a bigger container. We're also going to add half a chopped pineapple. Let's also add a tomato, an onion, a carrot, a little salt, and a little black pepper, and a little oregano. Let's also add a little olive oil. I will also use 100 grams of cottage cheese, but you can also use cream. Now all we have to do is mix it all together very well, and that's it. Our salad is ready, and look how incredible it looks. It's super beautiful, easy, and delicious. Make it at your house. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. A big hug until next time, and thanks.